In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of IMO. If you've been chatting on IMO Web and you're ready to end your session, especially on a shared or public computer, this quick walkthrough will help you sign out confidently and keep your account secure. First, open IMO Web in your browser and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're on the official IMO website and that your connection is stable before continuing. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load your chats and profile details. This ensures all menu options appear correctly and prevents any delays when you move to the next steps. Next, look for your profile or menu icon. On IMO Web, this is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. It may appear as your profile picture, a small user avatar, or a simple menu symbol such as 3 lines or 3 dots. If your browser window is smaller, some labels might be hidden, so don't hesitate to click the icon even if it isn't clearly labeled. Hovering over it might show a tooltip like Profile or Menu. After opening that menu, navigate to Settings. You'll usually see a short list that includes options like Profile, Contacts, or Settings. Click Settings to open the panel where account controls are grouped. This is the area that manages preferences and access, including the sign-out control. Inside Settings, look for Log Out or Sign Out. The wording can vary slightly, but it refers to the same action. It's often placed near the bottom of the Settings panel or within an account section. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the panel or check for a subsection labeled Account, Security, or General. The option is designed to be easy to reach but kept separate from everyday chat controls to avoid accidental clicks. When you've found Log Out or Sign Out, click it. A confirmation prompt will usually appear to make sure you're intentionally ending your session. Confirm the action, and IMO will sign you out and return you to the login screen. That's your visual cue that the session has ended. If you're using a shared device, it's a good practice to close the browser tab once you're back at the sign-in page. To recap, you open IMO Web and log in, click your profile or menu icon, go to Settings, locate Log Out or Sign Out, and confirm. Following these steps ensures your conversations stay private and your account remains secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see the flow again.